This is a dead screen. What I do with them normally is I take the controller out. They are very useful for many types of screen-related repairs, such as backlight, fuse, or I need the connector, etc. So there are clocks there. You can use connector, inductor, maybe, who knows. They can get burned. To avoid damage, just use a bit of heat. These can also be used for future. I'm not going to. Room temperature. 200 degrees is fine. The rest can go into e-waste. So here, if you have a look at PCB, we see, okay, bunch of caps. SAG, inductor, fuse, connector, Samsung display, that's the IC, cool. We'll never use that. Some clock. Giga device 128. That's actually a firmware BIOS chip that can be used. Okay. If you're really crazy, you can use these gold strips for your PCB repairs, but I'm not going that level. Okay.